Hello everyone, welcome back again to Hack with Victor. Now, in today's video, we are going to demonstrate that how we can bypass Windows 11 Defender, and not just we are going to execute or we are going to bypass, also we will learn how to identify such file, if it is a malware or not. Now, the very simple method is to just go and upload the exe file on VirusTotal, and it will going to give you on the basis of the results what other vendor flagged it. But in this video, I'm going to show you a very different method that how you can exactly identify that exe file is a malware or not, and if it's a malware, then what kind of malware, what it can do, everything you are going to learn, and you don't have to do anything. Everything will be done by an AI, and obviously a chat GPT will not going to do in much deeper, but I'm gonna show you another AI which is recommended by my friend. So everything we will see, but before that let me show you the attack paths. Okay, so we'll start this video. So as usual, I've already compiled the exe in my Kali machine, and here is the bot, sorry, here is the Telegram exe bot. So what I'm gonna do now, I'll simply open my terminal. Okay, in this video I'm not gonna show you everything step by step, but yes, the good thing is that I'm gonna give you the code of my this exe file. Everything I'm gonna upload on my GitHub, so you can just go and use it, and you can modify, you can do changes, whatever you want. So first of all, let's run this file. Okay, here we go. You just wait, and you can see there is no detection and there is nothing in the exclusion, which I have already showed you. Okay, so right now I'm using this system into my VMware, so it's little bit slow. I don't know, although I gave 8 GB of RAM, but still Microsoft sucks. Their systems always crash. I don't know. So just a second, let me show you. There is nothing in the exclusion, everything is turned on. Real-time protections, cloud protection, everything is turned on. Okay, although I have didn't disable the, yeah, so only the thing which I have disabled is the automatic sample submission, which we never send. Okay, which we never enable. And apart from that, if you just go to the exclusion part, so here you can see the exclusion is applied on the documents, not on the desktop, and we are running the file in the desktop. Okay, so it doesn't matter. So here you can see we have successfully run the exe file, and now if I just come to my Telegram, and if I just type the start, here we go. Now we have all the options as usual. You can take the screenshots, you can copy paste, you can access the Wi-Fi passwords. Like if I want to go, and it will going to give me the Wi-Fi passwords. Okay, right now it's giving no Wi-Fi password because we haven't run the PowerShell as an admin. Okay, so that doesn't matter, but yeah, you can take the other details, like you can get the locations, you can get the histories, you can check the directories files like this. Okay, you can see here. So right now on the desktop we have just telegrambot.exe, and it will going to provide you the location based on your ISP, what ISP you are using, Airtel, Jio, whatever you are using. Okay, so that thing I have already showed you. Now if you are a beginner and don't know how to analyze such files, either you can just go and upload the file on the VirusTotal, but now attackers are very smart. They can easily bypass those things. Okay, they know how to bypass. They can use more better authentication methods or evasion methods to basically bypass all those criteria, where you will going to upload a file on the VirusTotal, and it will going to be show that no vendor flag malicious. Okay, so what you can do, how you can identify, and as I said that it have the capability to add itself into the registry, which means it's create a resistance. And when you restart your machine, until unless you will not end the process from the background, it will keep run. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now, I'll just simply go to the task manager, I'll search for my this bot. Here we go. Now if I'll just go click on the end process, and done. Now you can just simply go and delete. So the main challenge is how we can identify. So for that, as I said in the beginning, this AI was recommended by my friend. Basically they are using the GPT only, but they have done some modification or upgradation. So what I did, I just gave my this exe, and I said I gave a simple prompt that find a suspicious string into this into it, and find out is it a malware or what, and give me everything what these files can do. Give me all the important stuff this exe do. So what it will do, it will start doing the reversing. Okay, and at the end you can see it's telling that I found a hard-coded Telegram bot token and a full command menu in the binary. Okay, this is not just a harmless bot, it is a rat. So basically this is not just a simple bot, it is a remote access trojan. It have the behavior of stealers, including the command execution. And if we just scroll down, you can see the file name is this. It will also going to show you the method which we use for the binding for the exe. This is the size of the payloads. This is MD5 hash, and if you just go down, so you can see the notable build string which is inside the src main.rs home kali cargo. Okay, so basically a kali machine is used to compile this file into an exe, and what it can do, and most thing important, it will also going to give you the token. Okay, so here you can see the binary contents and embedded tokens. Okay, and it's saying that I redirected the middle of the token because it's effectively a live credentials. Okay, so we are not going to focus on that, but let's see what command menu found inside this exe. So you can see start, screen, clip, Wi-Fi, which I showed you over there here also, right? So at the end CMD, and here you can CMD. So this is a full remote access command set. What exe can do, it have the capability to perform the remote code executions, it have the capability, the suspicious thing which is this, and it's also have the capability to add itself into the registries. Okay, clipboard, which I've already showed that it can read clipboard content, which may expose your passwords, crypto address, copy token, and so on. Apart from that, also attacker can extract your Wi-Fi passwords, steps, etc. And what it try to do, it tries to enumerate the same Wi-Fi password profile and extract the stored Wi-Fi password from your system. Key logging attempt, it claims to start a keylogger also and write over here where in the C drive of your keylog.txt. If attacker wants, he can start the keylogger, and whatever you will do, whatever you will visit, whatever you will type, wherever you will do, wherever you will go on your system, it will going to store everything in this file keylog.txt. Okay, and like browser history theft, it can also, it have the capability to capture your cookies, browser history, everything. If I want to show you with an example, so I cannot do because I've already deleted the file, but let me try. Yeah, so if I want to just give you an example, okay, so here we go. I will do this in my main system. It doesn't matter because it is my own system, so I can do. Okay, so here we go. Done. And let's come back, and if I just do the start again. So now what you can do, it can also have the capability to browse your history. Okay, we'll wait for a second, and here you can see it just have this createroute.com. okay, right now I just gone over there, and then another the YouTube a bit different, antivirus free or not, like this I have done some browsing history. Okay, so apart from that, if you just go the filter extraction and download, so let's just go for the more down and down, and here you can see registry persistent indicator. Okay, so as I said in the beginning only, that this file, this exe have the capability to add itself into the registry. Apart from that, suspicious imported APIs, all these are the APIs which are the suspicious. Okay, bottom line, this is not a normal Telegram bot, it is a Telegram brat stealer with these major capabilities. So what you can do not run it. If it already run on the machine, assume that the machine is compromised, disconnect it from the network, revoke the telegram bot.exe, check the run for the Windows update, collect the hashes, abort for detection, rotate password, and so on. So these are some of the recommendation. If you mistakenly run this exe, so you have to follow all these things. Okay, now everyone don't have the EDR, they are not much knowledgeable about all these things, but you have seen that with the help of this AI, you can get a very detailed information about the file if you are running something from outside of the box. And if you are really if the exe is really important, so recommendation is simple: do not run on in your main system, always run such files in a virtual environment where there no important files have. So that's it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to share, subscribe, and share this video among those people who wants to learn all these things. That's it.